I would just like to make everyone aware of what is happening, and I think we should make our kids aware of what is being sold at the Pakistani shops, the Somalian shops, the Bangladeshan shops. Guys, let's please be aware. I'll put the picture up on the screen now. I just want you. Today I've seen it all, guys. Today I've seen. When I do this video, just know that I'm not doing this on no racial tendency, no racial mindset. I am not a racist. I am a proudly South African colored, but I am mixed. I'm proudly black. I'm proudly white. I can speak Zulu. I don't speak Zulu fluently. I would love to, but if I'm standing in a group of black people, I'm mixed in automatically. They love me. They naam is taken. Understand? If I'm in a group of white people, I can ming in with them also. I'm multiracial. I'm interracial. Like I'm mixed with everything, and I love myself. I love me just the way I am. I don't have this with nobody. No white, no Indians, no. Actually, me when I see people, I don't see color. If you are male, I see a male. If you're a child, I see a child. But what I do have a bait is what you see Julius Malema going around. Hey, kill the Boer. Hey, kill the farmer. Hey, kill the Boer. Kill the farmer. That is hate speech. Plus, you see it in public spaces. They wouldn't like it if a Boer had to be in the street. And he go, hey, shoot the cover. Shoot the cover. They would automatically it would create a mess. Do you understand what I'm saying? But then yet it's right for them, and then they say it's not hate speech. But then if a white guy to sing, hey, shoot the kefir, it would automatically be labeled as hate speech, racist, whatever you name it. You understand? Me, what I know, there was a song like that, but they took it and changed it into something else. I know the song Tubuli Pulu, Tubula Tubula, Tubuli Pulu, Tubula Tubula, and that song was in the apartheid regime, but was not sung in public spaces. That song was sung there.